Mokshit? Have you learned the Roman numerals, dear children? Okay. Now I hope that everyone have you done this homework what I have sent to you. Okay, dear children. Now this evaluation up to now we have completed successfully the first chapter. What is the chapter name? Number system. Okay. What is the chapter name? Number system we have completed successfully. Now today we can go to the evaluation part. Now this one you have to do as your own, dear children. Just I will give you introduction how I will give you brief explanation of the given questions, so you given problems, so you have to understand it, dear children. After then you have to do this all evaluation part. So how many members have you understood about all the topic? Then by doing of this evaluation part, then you will come to know about that, then how much you have well known the all the topics. Okay. Now, so first Roman is they are given the numbers. You have to write the number names for these given numbers. Next, write the numeral for the following number names. For these numbers, you have to write the number names, and they have underlined the digits here in the second C Roman. You have to write the place value and the face value. And next, D Roman, they have given the numbers. You have to expand it, these given numbers. Next, comparison is there. Compare the numbers. Now, next. Answer the following in descending order. You have to keep all the numbers in the descending order and write the greatest and the smallest number using the given digits. These are given digits, you have to complete it. Now next, color the boxes that match across the 3 columns. So 18 is there. So 18 here, where is that number? And here Roman numeral, which is the 18, you have to color it all the similar. Now for the 18, which are the answers, you have to color this 18 and this number and the Roman numeral. You have to color it with the same color. Okay. Good morning, Ritesh. Okay, dear children, have you understood now this evaluation part? How do you have to do? Okay. Now, shall we start the next chapter? That is addition and subtraction. What is that? Addition and subtraction. Charvik, do you have any problem? Tell me. No, no. I can't hear your voice. Please send the text. Send the message to me. Okay, now next chapter is addition and subtraction. Now what is mean by addition? Do you know that, dear children? What is mean by addition? Okay, dear children, what is mean by addition? Plus. Plus is called the addition, dear children. Now, what is mean by addition? Addition means what is the definition of addition? Means putting together. The numbers we are putting together is called an addition. Okay? Okay, dear children. Have you understood? Note down in your notebook. Putting together is called an addition. Okay? Now next one is here. Now here, which symbol we can use it here in the addition, dear children? Plus. Which symbol it identifies the addition? Plus. What is that? Plus. So here in the numbers we can use the numbers, no? From one number to other numbers we are adding. That kind of numbers we can call it as the add in 1, add in 2 and add in 3. If they are given the 3 digits, then we can say that that is a 3-digit number. If they are given the 2 digits, then we can say that it is a 2-digit numbers. Okay, 2-digit additions. Okay, so here these numbers here when we are putting together is called an addition. So now here these numbers we can call it as the add-and 1, add-and 2 and add-and 3. So we get the result, no? That result, what do we call for that result? Sum. Note down in your notebook, please. What do we call for that result, dear children? Sum. Please copy down in your notebook, please. SUM, sum. Okay. Now the symbol we can use it as plus, and the result when we added any 2 numbers. Okay. Okay. So now dear children, so this is sum here. What do we call for that? Now how do you add this one? Already you have known that, no? Then we have to start addition from the ones place. Actually the number, whatever the number has given to you, first of all, when how do you have to add means we have to add it from the ones place. Okay, so we have to start the adding from the ones place. If it comes, so when we are added any 2 numbers, if it comes to 2 digits, then we how do you have to do that one? Tens place, ones place, we have to take the answer, and the tens place we have to give the carry to the other place value. Okay. Okay, dear children, have you known now how do you have to add it that one? So here they have given some few of the examples on the warm-up in the warm-up session. They have given one of the activity on you. So now you have to do that activity. What is that means? They have given across. See here, where is the second number here? This number. In this second number, first you have to do this to subtract it. You have to do the subtraction. When you subtract this 2 number, then you will get the answer, no? That answer you should have to here write. Okay. Now this one next. And first round up the numbers to the nearest tens. So now next one is here. When you added these 2 numbers, we get the answer, no? That number you should have to write down here in this note, in this boxes. Okay. And like that here, whatever the conditions has given to you, then according to that you have to solve the problem and you have to insert the numbers in the given puzzle. Okay, dear children? Charvik, why are you sending the messages to the Mokshit? Okay, Charvik, first of all, you have to listen, clearly understand it. After then, you can send the message, whatever it might be, you have to do it later. Okay, don't, first of all, you should not have to confuse. Listen carefully what I am saying to you, because it's the valuable time to understand it, because we are getting a lot of opportunity to do this one. By taking up these online classes, we are giving the opportunity to learn it by staying at home itself. Yes or no, Charvik? Why are you sending the messages to the Mokshit? Don't send it, dear. Okay, you have to listen just. Okay, now here according to this conditions, according to this problem and the signs, then you have to solve the problems and insert the numbers in the given boxes. Okay, now next we can go to the next page. Now next, how do you have to add the 5-digit number and 6-digit number? Okay, how do you have to add the addition of 5-digit and 6-digit numbers? So already you have known that whether if they are given 2-digit, 3-digit, 4-digit, whatever it might be, then we have to start the addition from the ones place. Where do you have to start? From the ones place. So while we are doing the addition from the ones place here, if when we are adding any 2 numbers in the ones place or tens place, wherever it might be, if you get the answer is 2-digit number, At the tens place, we have to give the carry to the other place value, and the ones place you have to take it as the answer result. Okay, okay, dear children. So look at here on the screen, everybody see. So here a 5-digit number has given to you 5 2 2 4 6 2 5 1 3 4 3. So we have to start the addition from the ones place. 5 plus 2 7, 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 2 8, 5 plus 1 6, 4 plus 3 7. You don't have to confuse it if they are given the 5-digit numbers. No, then how do you have to do the answer? So you should not have to think about that one. So as usual, however, we have done for the 2-digit number, 3-digit number and 4-digit number. Similarly, then for the 5-digit and the 6-digit numbers also we have to do same as it is. Okay. Now the thing is, it will get some of the extension of the numbers they have given to you. Okay. So now here when we are taking to the without regrouping of that number, 8 plus 1 we get here 9, 9 plus 2 we get here 11. Yes or no? When it comes 11, how can you insert the 11 as it is in the answer? No. Ones place we have to take, and the tens place we have to give the carry to the other place value. So in the hundreds place we have given 1, and 1 we have kept here. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4 here. Okay. 6 plus 5 what do you get? 11. So 11 comes means here 1 you have to give and 1 you have to give to the other place value. Okay, that is a 10,000s place. Now you have to add it. Now, okay, dear children, now shall we go to the exercise part? I think everyone have you known that how do you have to do the addition for the 5-digit number and the 6-digit numbers. Okay, shall we go on that? Now see here. Now insertion of, for example, if they have given, how do you have to insert the numbers in the addition? Means, see, look at here on the screen. First of all, one of the example, everybody have a look on the screen. Teja, look at here. See here, 4,950, it's one number, and another number is 56,781, and next number is 6,783 has given to you. Then how do you keep? Here is 6-digit number is there, here is 5-digit number is there, here is 4-digit number. How do you have to place the numbers in the given place values? Means, first of all, you have to take the which is the highest digit numbers are there. First of all, we have to take that number. After then here, how do you have to give? Then depending upon the place values, we have to insert the digits in the same place values. Like, see here, 1 is in ones place, no? So you should have to insert into the ones place. And 8 you should have to keep it in the 10s place. 7 is in hundreds place, so you should have to place it in the hundreds place. And 6 is in thousands place, so you should have to insert into the 6 into the thousands place. And next 5 is in a 10,000s place, so you should have to insert it into the 5 here in the 10,000 place. Okay, dear children. So like this by insertion. So if here lakhs not out there, you should not have to think that we have to start giving the numbers from the lakhs place. You should not have to start it. If it is 5-digit number, whatever the number you have given, we have to start giving of the numbers from the ones place only. When you started from here, you will get the answer wrong. Okay, you will get the answer wrong. So if the number, whatever it might be, start writing the numbers from the ones place, not from the lakhs or 10 lakhs from then. Okay, okay, dear children, have you cleared on that? No, Neeraj, did you understand? Okay, Akshay, what about Akshay? Okay, good. Okay, so let us begin. See some few example, dear children. Can you give me the answer for this? Now note down in your notebook, practice time 1, and you have to write down this number in your notebook and give me the answer to me. Okay, note down in your notebook, please. Write down the chapter name and write down practice time 1, and first problem you have to write down, copy down in your notebook and give me the answer. Can I tell the answer? Will please send the answer to me? You only have to send. Now the answer is here 36290. 36290. Very good, Adish. Excellent. Superb. Three six two nine zero 36,290. Did you get the answer correct? Okay, Shrikar, very good. Why, Shrikar, you are missing the classes? Amruta, please send the message to me. Give me the answer, Amruta. Give me the answer, Amruta. I want the answer from Amruta. Okay, Samreen. Amruta, where are you? Amruta Valli. Amruta or Amruta. Give me the answer, please. Now next step. Do it the second problem, dear children. Okay. What Neeraj? First answer you have sent that. You have given mistake. Now the second answer is 92,945. 92,945. That is the third answer. Okay. $92,945. It's the correct answer for the second problem. Okay. Have you done? 18. Okay, dear children, have you done that problem? Do it third one. Do it that third problem. Okay, dear children. Now, do the third problem, dear children, now. Okay. Okay, you have now this practice time 1, remaining third and fourth and This B Roman you have to complete it. You have to take it as the homework, dear children. You should have to complete it. Now next we can go to the properties of addition. How many properties are there in the addition? Means we have 4 properties are there. How many properties are there here? Please you have to write down in your notebook, dear children. You have to complete it in your textbook. This one, first, second, third, fourth problems. Okay. Remaining 4 you have to take it as the homework, dear children. Warm up session, and the B Roman you have to do it as the homework, and remaining now next A Roman you have to do it in your textbook. Mokshit, you have to collect your textbooks from your from the Sankalpan group, from the Sankalpan branch. Okay. Now next, how many properties are there here? 4 properties are there. Note down here in your notebook, dear children. Properties of addition. Okay. Properties of addition. Children who did not have the textbooks, please you have to come and collect it from your campus. Okay. Okay. Now please you have to note down in your notebook, that is properties of addition. What is that? Properties. How many properties are there? 4 are there. What is that means? Order property. Okay, when we are changing the order, means for example here 3 plus 4 is equal to, what do you get the answer here? 7. So when I change here, first 4 I keep, the next if I keep here 3 and next second place, when we are changing the order also in the given number, the answer it will remains the same. Yes or no, dear children? For example here 32 plus 64 if I gave to you. Okay, 32 plus 64. Then what do you get the answer here? 96. If I change the order first of all here, now here 64 if I write fast, and after then second number if I write the 32, then also we get the answer 96 only, no? So here first property, what is that means? When we are changing the order, means first number can keep second or second number can keep first, then also the answer remains the same. This is the order property in addition. Okay, dear children? So you should have to copy down in your notebook the definition. 2 numbers when added in any order give the same answer. On the screen is that sentence, dear children. You have to write down, keep the heading order property and write down that sentence. Okay. Okay, dear children. Please you have to write down when we are changing the order. For example, 0 plus 4 is equal to 4 only, or 4 plus 0 is also, it will come the 4 only. Yes or no? Okay, please you have to write down, dear children, now. Write down in your notebook. Example also you should have to copy down in your notebook. For example I will tell to you now. Did you complete, dear children? Srikar, did you complete? Srikar, come and collect your textbooks, dear. Now next, second property. Shall we go to the second property? What is that second property? Grouping property. When, for example here, now when I change the grouping order, means here 2 plus 3 I have kept in one group, and plus 4 I have given. 2 plus 3 plus 4. This is the number. Please you have to write down. First you have to write down the definition of the grouping property. 3 numbers added in any order. 3 numbers added in any number give the same answer. Give the same answer. Okay, dear children, have you written in your notebook this one? Three numbers added in any order give the same answer. So here example, write down. Example 20 2 plus 3 plus 4. And give the groups for the 2 plus 3, you have to keep it in the brackets. 2 plus 3, you have to keep it in the brackets, plus 4. 2 plus 3, you have to keep it in the bracket and write down plus 4. Now when I change the grouping also here now, for example 2 plus, and you have to group the numbers 3 plus 4. Group the numbers 3 plus 4. Somebody sit properly. Don't lay down. Who are lay down on the bed, then they have to sit properly now. Okay. 2 plus 3, what it will come? 5. 5 plus 4, 9. Here when we are grouping the numbers are changed also, then we get the same number. It's the same answer only. Okay. So this example you have to copy down in your notebook, dear children. This one example 25,839 plus 12,653 plus 31,259. Here first we have grouped the first two numbers. Next again we have changed the grouping of this last and second numbers we are grouped. When we are grouping the any numbers from any side in the given numbers, then we get the same answer itself. Okay. Now next property is here zero property. Zero property means, for example, if we take any number, when we add with that number with a 0, we get the same number itself. Like 0 plus 5, 5 only. 5 plus 0 is also 5 only. So when we are adding with any number to 0, we get the same number itself. Write down the definition. Adding 0 to a number. Adding 0 to a number gives the number itself as give the same number itself. Give the answer. Give the answer. Same number itself. Okay. Give the answer. Same number itself. Okay, dear children. Now write down the example. 0 plus 34 is equal to 34. And 34 plus 0 is also 34 only. Okay. Have you written in your notebook, dear children? Now next property is one property. One property means when you add to any number with 1, we get the successor. Means next number it will come. Yes or no? For the next number, what do we call? Successor only, no? Before number of that given number is predecessor. So next number it gives the answer as successor. Okay. Okay, dear children. I hope that everyone have you understood, and tomorrow we can go for the practice. Okay. Thank you, dear children, for attending the class, and our time is also up. And I will send you the homework to you, dear children. Carefully you have to do the answers all. Good, and thank you.